Older homes give Conshohocken its charm: tree-lined streets, historic architecture, and neighborhoods filled with character. But with that charm often comes a common set of window problems. Many homes built decades ago still have their original wood frames, aging glass, or outdated insulation. If your energy bills keep rising or your windows no longer open the way they used to, your home may be showing the typical signs of window wear. Understanding these common problems, and knowing how to fix them, can help you make smart, cost-effective improvements. Drafts and amp, poor insulation. One of the most frequent complaints among Conshohocken homeowners is the persistent draft near windows. Older wood windows naturally expand, shrink, and warp over time, leaving small gaps that allow outside air to leak in. Combined with outdated single-pane glass, this makes it difficult to maintain comfortable indoor temperatures. How to fix the weather stripping? A quick, affordable fix to seal gaps around the sash. Caulking. Re-caulk dried or cracked areas around window exteriors. Window replacement. If drafts persist, upgrading to energy-efficient double-pane windows offers the most long-term comfort and savings. Windows that won't open or close properly. Humidity, age, and settling foundations can make older window frames swell or shift. Many Conshohocken homes, especially those with older wooden double-hung windows, experience sticking or jammed sashes. How to fix lubrication? Using a silicone-based lubricant can help stubborn tracks move more freely. Sanding and amp. Repainting. For swollen wood frames, sanding down swollen areas and repainting can restore smooth operation. Hardware replacement. Sometimes the problem is worn-out cords, pulleys, or locks. Replacing these parts extends window life without replacing the frame. Condensation between glass panes. If your windows fog up and never seem to clear, you may have a broken window seal. This is very common in older homes where insulated glass units have exceeded their lifespan. How to fix defogging services. Some companies can remove moisture and reseal the window. Insert replacement. Replace only the glass unit, keeping the existing frame. Full window replacement. If multiple windows show seal failure, replacing them with modern insulated units is more cost-efficient. Rotting or soft window frames. Historic Conshohocken homes often feature beautiful original wooden windows. But decades of exposure to rain, snow, and humidity can cause decay. Rotten frames weaken structural integrity and make your home vulnerable to leaks and pests. How to fix epoxy repair. Small areas of rot can be filled and restored. Partial frame replacement. Sections of damaged wood can be removed and rebuilt. Window upgrade. If the rot is extensive, new vinyl, fiberglass, or treated wood windows offer durability and long-term protection. Noise infiltration. Older single-pane windows provide little noise reduction. If you live near busy Fayette Street or close to train lines, noise may be a frequent issue. How to fix it? Add storm windows, affordable and effective for noise control. Upgrade to double or triple pane glass. Modern insulated windows significantly reduce noise. Weather stripping. Sealing small gaps also helps muffle outdoor sounds. High energy bills. Conshohocken's mix of cold winters and humid summers makes energy efficiency crucial. Aging windows often force your heating and cooling systems to work harder. How to fix it? Install energy-efficient replacement windows, the biggest long-term cost saver. Improve insulation around frames. Helps eliminate hidden gaps. Use thermal curtains. A budget-friendly improvement for immediate comfort. Make your older Conshohocken home more comfortable. If your home is showing any of these common window problems, you're not alone. Aging windows are simply part of home ownership in a historic community. Whether you make small repairs or choose full window replacement, addressing these issues enhances comfort, boosts curb appeal, and increases energy efficiency.